Hi, Madonna here, talking to you from the beautiful Gold Coast. I'm at a seminar this afternoon to do with stem cell nutrition, and I can't wait to hear what the speakers have to say. Research is going on all around the world around stem cells at the moment. As you probably know, I've been using stem cell nutrition for over 10 years now with amazing results for all sorts of things. So it's the type of thing that's at the forefront of researchers' minds, because they know that if we can release stem cells, we can improve the health of the body. So one of the concepts is that from the time we're 30 years old, we release 5% less stem cells every year. So, and of course, why do we do that? It's stem cells that help to allow us to age gracefully. It's stem cells that help our joints and our heart and our liver and kidneys and everything just work better throughout life. So why is it that we would not be on a downward trajectory from 30 years old? And of course, part of what stops stem cells from being released is inflammation and toxicity. So it'll be interesting to see what the researchers have got up their sleeves for us this afternoon. Have a great weekend. Isn't this spectacular? Loving the Gold Coast. It's spectacular. Have a great weekend. Cheers, everyone.